want to find a specific comment you've left on a YouTube video? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to find your YouTube comments in just a few simple steps, using your iPhone or Android device. First, open the YouTube mobile app and make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Next, tap on the Settings button. In the Settings, look for the Manage All History button, which should be located under the Connected Apps option. Tap on it, and it will take you to your YouTube account history page, where you'll find different options. To find the comments you've left on videos, tap on the Interactions section at the top of the screen. Here, you can manage video likes, dislikes, and most importantly, view your comments and replies. Now, select the Comments and Replies option, which should be the third choice. At the top, you'll see your YouTube comments, indicating you're in the right place. You can scroll through and view all of the comments you've made, along with the dates and video names. These could be comments on your own videos or others you've interacted with. If you want to delete a comment, just tap on the X button next to it. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.